Morning guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are doing a part 2 on this Ford Kuga that I painted. If you haven't seen part 1, go and have a look at part 1. We repaired some damage here and put it all back together, and I painted this corner, and the colour is really dark compared to the other side. So we are going to try and match the colours are off regardless on this car, but we're going to go and try and match it and make it lighter than it currently is. I found a bluer shade to try on my capsy scheme, and I've bought my old faithful electrical hydrofan scheme in as well, just in case. So I'm going to get these formulations knocked up, and then we're going to do some colour matching and have a little look and a play and try and get it all sorted, and we can prep it down, get it ready for action, and get the new colour on. So yeah, let's crack on. See you in a mo. Right, I've made up on the capsy scheme. They've got a variant that's 2017. All of the variants I've looked for on this are for a 2017 model, which the car is. This is their bluer version. Now, the metallics in it are a lot better and they're on track, but this is still way too dark. Now, I'm going to muck around and try and lighten this up in a minute, but I'm now going to do a lighter shade on my hydrofan water-based paint scheme. Let's see how that one turns out, because this is not passable in my eyes. So let's crack on and mix the next one. Right, trusty old hydrofan, done it again. So I went for a lighter shade. The first mix on hydrofan, not that you're going to see this properly on there, this colour looks absolutely bang on to the bumpers that are off to the car. Does that make sense? Every bumper on the car is totally different to the car, but this lighter shade looks like it's going to be spot on for what I need. Yeah, that's like the third mix I've done on Capsy. To be honest, I've only used Capsy scheme 3 times. I'm not that impressed by it. I've done Tesla Water White, pt2 or something like that, I can't remember the code. 3-stage pearl, it was awful. I reformulated it, got it blendable, it was okay. Then I've done this red Fiat, and it was I think the colour was good, but it was really transparent, really see-through. And then obviously this, far too dark. And then I just went back to my old scheme. First mix, just chose lighter shade, and this is absolutely spot on. This is exactly it. I think that's going to be well passable, and it matches the other bumpers that are really off. I know it sounds crazy, but obviously I'm trying to match how it looked when it came in here. So yeah, let's go get this thing prepped. It is absolutely bucketing down outside. Yeah, let's get this ready, get it all masked up, and let's get this new colour on. Hopefully this is a winner. we're ready for a bit of clear. I'm a lot more happier with this colour. I think we're going to be alright. It might not be perfect, but it's going to look a damn sight better than the last one, that's for sure. Yeah, everything I've checked looks pretty close, so hopefully this matches the wrong colour on the bumper, as it should do, to match the rest of the car. So we've essentially mixed the colour to be off from the car, so it matches the rest of the car all the way around on every bumper. So I'm going to get some clear coat on this thing. Let's do it. We're not baking, it's just to bring the ambient temperature up. Let's go. Volume 2 of I can't see what the hell I'm doing. Let's get some clear on this thing. Okay, we're looking good. Let's see if I can show you anything with a torch. Probably just glare. Let's get this thing dry, see you in a moment. Well, it's getting better, but I didn't put paint around there, so that's the original, how I got it you're looking at. It's still a bit too dark for my liking, but it's a hell of a lot better than yesterday. Yeah, I'd say that's a pass. As you can see, the colour differences. That's how it came, obviously. So it don't match that, don't match that. Piss off! My neighbour. Right, let's get out of his way. Yeah, I'm a lot happier, but I'm not. I'd like it to be a bit lighter, but to be fair, it went over a dark base. I really should have whited it up first, but yeah, I mean, what'd you do? Same difference as this side. I'm a lot happier. That can be lived with. I mean, that'll do. That'll do. That's all she's getting. That's all she wrote. Right, see you in a moment. That is officially jobbed. I am done. On to the next one. That's a pass. That'll do. It's a lot better than it was, considering it came in not very good at all. So yeah, as always, a massive thanks for watching, and we'll see you very soon on the next one. Stay safe and be lucky.